Hi guys, in this lecture I'm going to show you how to connect MySQL database to Excel. Once the connection is established, we're going to load the table in the Excel file. In order to establish connection between Excel and MySQL database, I need MySQL ODBC connector. So first of all, what I need to do, I need to open the Google Chrome browser, and in the search bar I will type download ODBC driver for MySQL, and then I'm going to click this link to install this. Okay, now I need to download this installer file. This is what I'm going to install. So click download, and this is going to start the download process. Okay, look, it is going to start the download process. Let me just open the installer file, and I'm going to click next. I accept the terms and condition, click next, and I will choose a typical installation, click next. This is where it will be installed, click next. Okay, click yes, and this is going to install it in my system. It has been installed, click finish. Okay, so the ODBC driver has been installed. Now what I need to do, I need to open the MySQL workbench. So I have already installed MySQL in my system. Also I have installed MySQL ODBC connector. Okay, now I'm going to create a new MySQL connection. So let me just create a new connection from here, and I will name this connection as test connection. Okay, let me just name this. Okay, username is root. So I will provide the password here. So the password is going to be admin. So this is the password that I set while installing MySQL. Okay, so admin is my password. Click OK. Now I'm going to test the connection. So the connection is successful. Click OK. Click OK from here. So this is going to be my test connection. Let me just open it. So in my test connection, so I have already created this database is already created. Okay, so previously I have created, and now it is showing in my new test connection. So in this database I have 2-3 tables. Like I have department table. So this is the table that I'm going to load in my Excel file. So now in order to establish a connection with this department table, I need to create a new ODBC data source. Okay, this data source is going to have all the information that are needed to connect to MySQL database. Okay, so I'm going to go to system DSN, and I will create a new data source. So I will select a driver, this one, MySQL ODBC driver 9.2. Okay, click finish, and I'm going to provide the information, test connection, and okay, TCP IP server. Description, I'm not going to provide any description. Here I'm going to provide localhost. Okay, user is root, password is admin. So admin is the password that I set while installing MySQL in my system. Okay, database is project. Let me just provide the database name, and let me just test the connection. Okay, connection successful. Click OK, click OK, test connection. Okay, this one. Okay, now click OK. Now I'm going to open the Excel file, and let me just open it. I will go in the data, and I will go get data, and from other sources, okay, I'm going to select from ODBC. Okay, once it's selected, I will have to select the data source name. So I have created this test connection. Okay, click OK. Now I am connected to this DSN. Here I am going to provide the username and password. Okay, user is root, and the password is admin. Again, the password is admin, which I set while installing MySQL in my system. If you do not have the MySQL in your system, you need to install it first. Okay, connect. Now it is going to display me all the tables, everything. Now project is the name of my database. Now department table. So I'm going to load this department table. So just load this table. load, click load, and look, table has been loaded in the Excel file. And this is how you establish connection between Excel and MySQL database. I hope you have gone through the process. I would request you to please subscribe, like, and give your feedback in the form of comments. Thank you so much and have a great learning.